look what came today. My Pampered Chef Ultimate Consultants Kit. Give me a few minutes and I'm gonna open the boxes and then we'll come back and explore all the equipment together. So now that I've opened up all of my products, let's take a look at what I got. So the first thing is the large bar pan. Great for roasting some veggies and some seasoning and olive oil in the oven. Here we have the measure-all cup for both liquid and dry ingredients and a great space saver. The silicone prep bowls have spouts to pour and are nesting for storage and also have lids. The classic batter bowl, you can mix, store, and reheat all in this great bowl, and it's also microwave safe. The utility knife, Santoku knife, and the flexible cutting boards are a great addition to your kitchen needs. The quick cooker, you can sear, steam, cook rice, slow cook, and pressure cook all in this one product. Next to it is the quick cooker ceramic pot. Cooking a whole entire meal in the quick cooker never got easier. The adjustable measuring spoons, again, a great space saver. In the back, we have the salad chopper. You can chop salad right into a bowl. The mix and chop. You can chop, crumble your taco meat right in your pan. The citrus press, easily squeeze every drop. The serving spatula, great for baked goods. Get those brownies out of the pan. The garlic press, the smooth edge can opener, the microplane adjustable grater with the additional meat holder, the tongs, the quick slice, cut your fruit and veggies into slices with one quick swipe. In the back, we have the manual food processor and storage lid. Put all your salsa ingredients, give it a spin, and store it all in the same container. Next, we have some seasoning mixes to add to all of your yummy recipes. We also have the mini oven mitts, which are great addition to your kitchen. And last, we have the Dutch oven rock crop. You can sear, braise, simmer, slow cook, fry, and more, all in one pot. If you would like to host a party, please contact me. Be sure to follow me on all of my social media for updates, great recipes, and product demo videos.